Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to stretch an image in Picsart. If you want to stretch an image in Picsart, launch the Picsart app open on your phone first and go to the bottom of the screen and tap the plus button. This will open up your gallery. Select the image at the top that you want to stretch. Now once you open up the image on the canvas, go to the bottom menu and tap on Tools. Now there you will be able to see the stretch option. Tap on it and then select the stretch tools. You'll see different stretch tools such as swirl, squeeze, inflate, warp, etc. Tap on the warp option at the bottom and then select the size of your brush and its power by dragging the little slider at the bottom. Now you can go ahead and tap on the stretch options such as swirl and then tap and hold on the area on your image and you will be able to notice that there's something going on over there. If you want to undo the change, you can simply tap the restore button at the bottom right. There are other options such as squeeze or inflate. In order to stretch, you can simply tap on inflate and select the area on the screen that you want to stretch. And as you can see that the selected area is being stretched. In order to stretch the areas freely, you can also gently drag your finger to push or stretch areas freely. Go ahead and explore through the options and find the best stretch for your photo. If you want to delete your stretch, you can simply tap on restore and then brush around the area that you've previously edited and it will be back to normal. By using these tools, you will be able to stretch your image quickly and easily on Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.